They should be sharper than they've ever been used. Okay, I'll show you what real sharp is. Watch this. Any serrate, roll it in the middle, it will not hurt them. Just makes it vibrate, chatters up and down through the teeth. You get one side in, the back on return. See how sharp they went now. A lot sharper, ain't it? And I'm not just brushing the very top of the tooth. It hits it all the way through the entire tooth, top to bottom. Now on the smooth edge up front here, he's got a patented flex, so they follow the nice original edge. Squeeze that blade in there nice and tight, bring the back of the knife up. The rod will adjust, it takes the guesswork out of sharpening, puts the original edge back on your knife. Sharpens through the whole blade. I'm dropping these down today in the show, 20 bucks each, 2 of them for 30. Made in America, made to last. How's that feel? Right on. Good, awesome. Anyone else got a knife? Show you it works on yours too. I'm doing these today, 20 bucks each, 2 of them for 30. 2 for 30. Got your knife too, show you?
No, but I got $20.
Alright, grab yourself one up.
Does it matter what color?
It don't matter, it's whatever colors you like. Nope.
That's a glow in the dark.
Oh, hey, that's what I need. Come and give it to my grandson. Tired of sharpening his knife.
There you go, thank you. There's videos online for them too, let them know. Tactical knife. Rolling. The serrates go right through. Here, feel these serrates back before I do this. You gotta feel this. I got one sharper doing serrated edges. Watch this. This gets a vibration going, makes it chatter up and down into them teeth. It won't eat the teeth down, it won't round them out. On the smooth edge now, on this side of my sharpener I got a patented flex. You squeeze the blade in there tight, when you draw through you can only make it sharper. You will not lose the edge you already have. You will take a well-made knife shaving sharp. I use these on kitchen knives, hunting knives, outdoor tools. They're made to hone. As long as you got an edge on the blade, you should be able to get it very sharp. Hit them on leather when you're done, or a piece of cardboard, that gets your iron shaving sharp. I'm marking these down in the show right now, 20 bucks a piece. I'm out here promoting them from Florida. How's that feel, good? Yeah. Anyone else got a knife? We'll show you it works. Bring her on up here, guys. Watch how fast I do these knives. It'll take you all day to do as many knives. Watch. Laid out. Good one. Bring her on up here. You can be next. Draw them through. These pins are made to flex, so they ride the original edge. What you're doing is you're honing your blade up. Honing is much better for your knife. You don't whittle them away. Finish it on leather or cardboard, and that'll polish that edge. That's what makes them shaving sharp. I'll get you next.
Both blades are $1.02.
I don't just say I make the best, I'll prove it. I'll sharpen anybody's knife. Yes, we do.
I will go down to the price of
I've done from the littlest blades to machetes, hatchets,
You probably will.
katanas. One more knife here. Thank you, y'all. Ooh, that one's super dog. When they're real dog, put a lot of pressure on them. They'll go. I Like I said, as long as there's a bevel on the blade, you'll get it. I'm marking these down for everyone to try today. I'm doing them 20 bucks a piece.
It's a convex knife. That's all things start out. And you can reverse it. This is hard.
And these are made in America. We didn't get them from Dangadonga. American made. I'm doing them 20 bucks a piece right now. 20. Take any one you like. Credit card. And I put 20 on there. It's hard to see in the sun. Very sharp. Anyone else got a knife? I'll show you it works on yours. I don't just say make the best, I prove it. Got a knife on you guys? Show everyone it works. 20 bucks. That's yours. Perfect. Anyone else carry a knife? Bring them on up here. No tax, it's all rolled in. 20 bucks even.
Thank you very much.
All right, thank you. You got your knife on you? I'll show you how to work. Bring it on up here. I got American-made sharpeners here. I'll put a good edge on any blade. Squeeze in there tight, draw through. It's got a patented flex, so they ride your edge with the honing steel. You're not tearing metal off the knife, you're relining the blade. They're quick and simple, keeps the original edge. Hit it on leather when you're done, or a piece of cardboard, that'll get you right up in the arm shaving sharp. See how sharp you got. Shave with it, here you go. And you got your knife too, bring it on up here, we'll show you it works. 20 bucks on these today. I marked them down to 20, I'm out here promoting them. If you need more directions, I got live videos on the website. The website's on every handle. Thank you. You got your knife, bring it on up, show you it works. I can do serrated, I can smooth edges, I can buck knife, any knife. Mossy oak. These are two honing scales made to squeeze back and follow the knife's original edge. You're not tearing metal off the blade, you're putting that original edge on a knife. I can actually get them sharper than brand new. Hit it on leather, that gets you the arm shaving sharp. I'm marking these down for everyone to try today, 20 bucks a piece. No, the rods will adjust to follow your edge. Thank you, appreciate it. You got a clear shell? Yeah. All right. See how much sharper I get.
Cash only?
I can do credit cards. Kershaw knife. I like to do it on pocket knives. That helps. That polishes them. Feel how sharp she got. Works on it. Yeah, I'll show you another one. I'm marking these down today. Yep, 20 bucks a piece here today.
You can get it more
real quick. Here you go. How's that feel? Looks darn good, don't it? You do that with fillet knives, hunting knives. I've done machetes. People handed me swords over the years. I can do them all. That's yours. Take one you want. I can even do hatchets, cleavers, machetes, outdoor tools. These pins rock well over 69. It makes it almost impossible to wear it out with a sharpener. As long as you got a bevel or a little edge left on a blade, you'll get it good and sharp. We're American made, I'll do any blade. I'm marking these down right now, 20 bucks a piece. Not from Dingadonga.
Better get the orange one so I can find it.
Grab the orange ones up. We're gonna run out of orange too.
If you like to buy practical gifts, you need to stock up on the Block Knife Sharpener. They're perfect for cooking, hunting, fishing, and working. The more you order, the more you save. The Block Knife Sharpener is the hottest selling handheld knife sharpener in America. Go to blocksharpener.net, see demonstrations, and to order online. Fast, free shipping. Use the code STAYSHARP at checkout and save $5 on your order. And the Block Knife Sharpener has a lifetime guarantee, unless your last name's Biden. Online at blocksharpener.net.